At the heart of innovation lies a simple question: how can we make everyday life better? Here, we believe that the best ideas emerge from focusing on simplicity and functionality. This is the foundation of our design for manufacturing, assembly, and usability. Our process begins with observation. We look at the ordinary, everyday products around us and ask, how can this be improved? Each concept ensures it not only meets our high standards for design and usability, but also integrates seamlessly into daily life. It's through this meticulous process that we've created solutions tailored to real-world needs. From heels with adjustable heights and water fountain filters to safety bumpers for scooters and innovative shoe dryers, each of these ideas represents our commitment to simple yet powerful innovations that improve everyday living.
Have you ever been frustrated by your glasses fogging up, but didn't have an easy way to wipe the condensation off? Ever forget your lens cleaning wipes and have to deal with smudged lenses for the rest of the day? Let us introduce an easy, inexpensive, and wearable solution: a rubber ring for wiping your glasses clean. The wiper ring makes it easy to wipe your glasses clean on the go, whether you're wearing your glasses on a humid day, playing sports, or have simply forgotten one of those environmentally unfriendly single-use wipes. Our rings come in two styles to fit your preference: fully rubber or metal adorned with a rubber cleaning tab. Our rings are manufactured through compression molding processes. For our 100% rubber design, we compression mold the rubber and then apply a microfiber coating that reduces friction between the ring and glass surface and preserves wipe quality. Our metal and rubber hybrid ring involve metal casting brass rings, coating them in a variety of shiny colors, compression molding the rubber tab, and using metal rubber adhesive glue to press fix the two together. These casting and compression molding processes are industry standard, inexpensive, and allow for multiple different ring sizes and colors to be manufactured.
Feature. It can be annoying to have to be constantly cleaning and erasing your whiteboard in your classroom, especially if there's writing all over the board. This process can take a lot of time by doing it by hand, and if it is not erased completely, it can dry and get stained on the whiteboard, making it almost impossible to get off in the future. That is why we have idealized an efficient whiteboard eraser system that would clean the whole whiteboard in one fluid motion. Another experimental concept for this idea was found and is shown on the slide. We took some aspects from their design and simplified it and improved it to be much more simple with fewer parts and therefore much cheaper and more appealing to the customers. Manufacturing methods for this product will be utilizing already in place manufacturing methods for the eraser, such as injection molding and milling for the wood handle. Extruded aluminum metal and bearings will be used as the top pieces for the connectors. Demonstration of how the product will be used and shows how the product can easily erase an entire whiteboard in one fluid motion. As you can see, this is a much simplified down system versus the experimental concept we showed earlier. It will be utilizing a few pieces such as the long eraser, extruded frame, and two bearings along with a wooden handle that will allow for easy use with no mechanical parts and no electrical parts that would make the system much more expensive.
Ever wished that you could have your favorite heel come in several heights, but didn't want to carry around those inconvenient screw-on heels? Ever had to run from a professional meeting to a night out without a chance to change your shoes? Well, this product provides you with a solution. Our innovative heel design uses telescoping slides which lock in place to give you a full range of height adjustment for your heels. Simply pull the heel to the height you want and rotate it to lock it in place. The core of our shoes are manufactured from industry standard die cutting processes. then thermally cemented to the soles of the shoes. The heel segments are drawn from aluminum billets to ensure seamless tube formation and then extruded to be hollowed out. They are then passed through dies to slim down their diameters and form the guiding notches on either side, which allow you to lock your heels in place. The runways for the aligning notches on each slide are then broached. Cyacrylate adhesive is used to affix the Napa leather to each heel segment before the base heel segment is thermally cemented to the shoe. The sole of the shoe is made from thermoplastic nylon to allow flexibility and comfort for our users. The core of each telescoping slide is made from chromium but covered in the same Napa leather as the shoe body to give it a seamless look on its exterior. These heels look and feel like regular heels but allow their user so many more choices.
Everyone has experienced the sharp pain of hitting your ankle against the side of a metal scooter as a kid. As of now, there is no safety measure to prevent this problem for current kids today. However, we've created an easy solution, a slip-on rubber attachment on the sides to prevent painful and injury-inducing collisions. This product is the ankle protector. Rubber was chosen for this product due to its cheap and safe nature. The strips can be manufactured through an extrusion process. The next step of this process would be heating in order to make the material easier to cut and to relieve internal stress. The final step would be cutting so that all the strips are the designated length of 9.85 inches so that they can slip on perfectly onto the scooter. Lastly, the safety strips would be smoothed through sanding. This is the final product. Also note that the strip has been toleranced to
Our next design regards 3D printers. It can be very safe to pry off the printed piece by hand or by using a handheld scraper that is very sharp and can be dangerous to the build plate and the user. This all presents the need for a safe and consistent removal process. Places such as RoboLab Technologies have described scrapers as the most dangerous part of 3D printing. Flexible build plates help the user avoid using scrapers, but if the part is not taken off right away and allowed to cool, it can make it very difficult to remove the piece without pliers or a scraper. We have designed a scraper that would be built into the 3D printer, which would automatically remove the part from the build plate, with a sharp edge that can safely cut under the hardened PLA or other materials. A stainless steel blade will be powered through the bottom part from a pneumatic pistons once the print is completed, leaving the detached part on top of the plate for the user to safely take off and remove. The scraper can be manufactured by casting and utilizing abrasives to sharpen the edge of the steel. All the other pieces such as fittings, screws, and fasteners, and the powering device, all can be machined or bought from other standard parts. This is what our scraper piece will look like. It will fit around the build plate and have a sharp piece on top, and on the bottom, with two pneumatic cylinders attached, it will be able to quickly and powerfully extend and retract and remove the piece from the build plate. This is how the scraper will fit onto the actual 3D printer. As you can see, it will be able to extrude and retract, covering the whole 3D building plate, and safely remove the material.
Rainy days and accidental puddle splashes can leave us with soaked shoes, tracking water and dirt into our homes. It's a common problem that can ruin floors and make for an uncomfortable day. But what if drying your shoes could be as easy as stepping into your home? Introducing Dry Step, the revolutionary shoe drying station that fits right at your doorway. Our device works similar to other products for keeping your floors clean during home tours, such as shrink wrapping the bottom of the shoe with a pressure sensor. Our product goes further, actively drying your shoes in seconds. We utilize a compact, elegant design made from high-quality aluminum. This durable material ensures longevity and stability, while its sleek and finished components can complement any home decor. A hot electronic fan blows from the back and pushes dry air onto the shoe. Our housing are manufactured using a precision injection molding process. This method allows for detailed, consistent shapes and ensures each unit is robust and effective. It's suitable for reducing waste and energy usage. In order to use dry step, simply step into the system when you enter your home and let the quick drying technology do the work. In just a few moments, your shoes are dry, warm, and ready to walk on any indoor surface without leaving a trace. In our busy lives, staying hydrated is essential. But have you ever hesitated before drinking from a public water fountain, knowing that it may not be as clean as it looks? Studies have shown that public water fountains can harbor bacteria and contaminants, making them less safe than you might hope. Introducing a water filter attachment, a filtering straw that transforms any public fountain into your personal hydration station. Unlike other portable solutions like the Brita straw, which primarily reduces chlorine and improves taste, or hiking straws designed for natural water sources, our straw delivers a broader spectrum of filtration directly from any tap or fountain. Crafted from innovative BioClean material, a biodegradable composite that naturally repels microbes, this attachment is not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. Our material ensures that every sip is free from harmful bacteria, heavy metals, and chemicals. Our manufacturing process involves precision extrusion of aluminum, ensuring each meets strict quality standards. The spigot is modified from pre-existing faucets, which maximizes efficiency but also supports sustainable manufacturing practices by reducing waste. Our attachment is easy to carry, simple to use, and essential for anyone who wants to stay hydrated on the go without compromising on water quality.
It can be annoying to constantly have to put your purse on the floor, which is unsanitary and can cause people walking by to trip. Currently, this problem is solved through the foldable purse hanger hooks shown below. However, these can easily be lost, forgotten, or just be annoying since you have to dig through your purse to get it out. Therefore, we created it into a keychain attachment so that you will never forget it and can easily carry it around and use it. All parts of this keychain are made from stainless steel since it is affordable, strong, and resistant to scratches and wear. 2 configurations are shown. The closed configuration so that it can act as a sleek keychain, and the open configuration so that it can be used functionally as a purse holder. The transformation happens due to 2 pins that are located between the arms that allow them to change configuration, and 1 pin between the first arm and the keychain pendant. These pins have slight interference fit so that it takes force to change their position and that position stays locked. The manufacturing process for key rings starts off with wire drawing. Next, the wire is coiled. After that, the coiled rings are cut. These rings are then flattened into the familiar jump ring shape using a rolling mill. Lastly, the rings are polished using barrel polishing. The same process is done for the other key rings except without flattening and with only 1 coil. The actual purse hook parts are made through sheet metal stamping and then connected via pins. Sheet metal stamping is a manufacturing process where flat metal sheets are formed into desired shapes and sizes using a press equipped with dies and punches. These also undergo barrel polishing. This process consists of abrasive medium and the parts being polished being tumbled in a rotating barrel. Barrel polishing is used due to the fact that it can polish all of these different parts together in bulk in one go, which lowers the time and steps for the manufacturing procedure. This is the final product.
How to research and brainstorm new innovative designs in a team and individually. Learned how to take creative new ideas and actually figure out how to design and the manufacturing process for those ideas. Learned that there are still many areas and products that can be further improved to meet customer needs. It can be challenging to come up with creative and original ways to improve many products.